my name is Alex Cecilia. I'm a graphic artist, and I'm going to show you how to draw a paper airplane in Photoshop. So I've already drawn it here, but I'm going to redraw it for you so you can see what I did. And the first thing I'm going to recommend is that you go to View, Show, and Grid. And this will just, it could help you make your plane geometrically correct, or if you have it a specific way, you know, that you want to draw it, then it'll help. And the second thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the pen tool. And so now I'm going to start my paper airplane. I'm going to start on the top right here with one dot, and I'm going to go diagonally downward. I'll go about this far. And then I'm going to go to a point that's just a little bit further away from it, from the first point, and then I'm going to select this point, and it's going to close your shape once you see that circle. So click that. And so then I'm going to add another triangle. I'm going to make it just a little bit further. And then finally, my last little bit, I'm going to okay, so now I've got my shape. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold down Control and click, and I'm going to go to Stroke Path. And normally pencil might come up first, but for me brush is coming up. So don't click Simulate Pressure, because what that's going to do is it's going to make it so that it looks like it's hand drawn, in the sense that the lines are going to be fading out, so you don't want that. So you say OK, and there's your paper airplane. My name is Alex Cecilia, and this is how you draw a paper airplane in Photoshop. Thank you.